Hi everyone, here we've got Huawei Mate 40 Pro and let me show you how to enable eye comfort mode on this device. So first of all we will begin with some customization of this mode and then I will show you much faster access to this feature. So let's open the settings and now let's tap on the display in brightness. And as you can see here we've got eye comfort, so let's tap on it and here we've got some options to customize. First of all we can decide if you want to schedule that feature or if you want to turn it on for all day. So let me pick for example all day. As you can see the screen turns yellowish and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, you can change the intensity of that feature just by this switcher. It's up to you how you want to set it and which option is much more comfortable for you. Let me show you how to schedule it. Just tap on the switcher here and as you can see here we've got the start and end time options, so we can tap on it and by swiping choose the start time. So after choosing it your device will automatically turn on this feature. So let me pick for example maybe 11. Let's tap on OK and now let's choose the end time, for example at 4 the next day, and as you can see it is immediately activated. But let me turn it off and let's tap on enable all day and under it we've got the flicker reduction. Now it is turned off, but if you want to turn it on just tap on the switcher here, but I will leave it like this. Okay, so this is the whole customization of this mode, but if you want to have much faster access to this feature just unroll the top bar and find the eye comfort icon. Now it is obviously turned on, but if you want to turn it off just tap on it and as you can see the screen turns back to its normal state. If you cannot see this icon, no worries, just tap on this edit icon, the pencil icon, find it somewhere here, tap on it, hold it and drag it to this position. Okay. So actually that's all. This is how to enable eye comfort mode in your Huawei Mate 40 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.